Hello and welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today we will practice an English conversation about hobbies. Let's begin. I heard you enjoy painting. Yes, I do. How long have you been painting? For about 3 years. What do you like to paint? I like painting landscapes and nature scenes. That sounds relaxing. It is very relaxing. Do you paint every day? Not every day, but I paint several times a week. Do you take painting classes? No, I mostly learn from online videos. That's impressive. Thank you. What hobbies do you enjoy? I enjoy reading books. What kind of books do you like? I like mystery and adventure books. How often do you read? I usually read every evening. Do you have a favorite book? Yes, I have several favorites. Reading is a great hobby. I agree. It helps me relax and learn new things. Have you ever joined a book club? No, but I would like to someday. That could be fun. I think so too. Do you enjoy outdoor hobbies? Yes, I enjoy hiking. Where do you usually hike? I like hiking in nearby parks and nature trails. How often do you go hiking? Usually once or twice a month. What do you like most about hiking? I enjoy the fresh air and beautiful scenery. That sounds wonderful. It really is. Do you ever hike with friends? Sometimes, but I also enjoy hiking alone. I understand. Do you have any creative hobbies? Yes, I enjoy photography. What do you like to photograph? I like taking pictures of nature and animals. Do you use a professional camera? No, I mostly use my phone. Phone cameras are very good these days. Yes, they are. Do you share your photos online? Sometimes I do. Do people like your photos? Many people leave positive comments. That's great. Thank you. What hobbies would you like to try in the future? I would like to learn how to play the guitar. Why do you want to learn guitar? Because I love music. Do you already know how to play an instrument? No, I don't. Everyone starts somewhere. That's true. What hobby would you like to try? I would like to learn cooking. Really? Yes. What would you like to cook? I want to learn how to make different dishes from around the world. That sounds exciting. I think so too. Hobbies are a great way to learn new skills. I completely agree. They can also help reduce stress. That's one reason hobbies are so important. Do you think everyone should have a hobby? Yes, I do. Why? Because hobbies make life more enjoyable. That's a good answer. Thank you. What's your favorite hobby right now? At the moment, reading is my favorite hobby. Mine is photography. Both are excellent hobbies. I agree. Maybe we can share our hobbies with each other someday. That would be nice. I enjoyed talking with you. I enjoyed talking with you too. See you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Great job practicing English today. We talked about hobbies, interests, and free time activities. Listening to conversations like this is a great way to improve your English speaking and listening skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for watching Easy English Lessons. See you in the next lesson.